Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we have an incredible story of resilience and compassion that will touch your heart. Meet this brave dog from a place called Meerut in India. This innocent canine had a cruel start to life. Someone heartlessly threw her off roof, leaving her paralyzed and abandoned. Left to fend for herself, she had nothing to eat, surviving only on rainwater for weeks. She had nothing but skin and bones, a mere skeleton fighting for her life. But just when it seems like all hope was lost, a team of compassionate rescuers stumbled upon her. They couldn't bear to see her suffer, and they knew they had to do something. Despite her fragile state, the rescue team poured their hearts into nursing her back to health. They provided her with the best medical care, love, and attention she desperately needed. Day by day, her spirit began to shine through. With physical therapy and unwavering support, this amazing dog started to regain her strength and mobility. Today, she is an embodiment of resilience and the power of human kindness. Although her past was filled with darkness, she now basks in the warmth of a loving environment, thanks to the efforts of these dedicated rescuers. This heartwarming story reminds us that there is always hope, even in the face of adversity. Together, we can make a difference and change the lives of innocent creatures like her. If you like to support organizations like this rescue team, make a positive impact, and please consider donating or volunteering at your local animal rescue organization. Remember, every act of kindness counts. Thank you for watching this incredible journey. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more heart-touching stories like this one. Until next time, stay compassionate and spread love to all creatures, big and small.